Hey there, it is Smallsy here. Now time to loop you in with the biggest entertainment news stories from the last week. Now it is all One Direction mania this week with the boys' London premiere of their movie This Is Us happening in the world-famous Leicester Square in London. More than 70,000 girls packed themselves in to catch a glimpse of, oh, there's Louis, and girls taking selfies. The boys were just as excited though for the fans to see the movie.
We're just very, very lucky that all this has happened to us, and obviously none of this is possible without all the fans behind us. So it's been incredible, and we're very lucky boys.
There's been a lot of grabbing today, a lot of grabbing.
And we're so busy on the carpet as well, so we obviously can't get to everyone, but if we could, we would.
Now, it was a star-studded affair. Simon Cowell, the man dubbed the creator of 1D, was there. Fellow boy band McFly, JLS, and some of the girls from Little Mix also walked the red carpet. Now, what left tongues wagging after the event? It was the rumour that Zayn and Perry from Little Mix were now engaged. Now, she was spotted with a massive diamond ring on her engagement finger. Straight after the night, it was rumoured that it was just an anniversary present. However, we learnt later on this week that yes, it is confirmed via Perry's mum and brother that the two are in fact engaged. Now, as for the after party, the boys were partying into the early hours of the morning at a trendy Soho nightclub. I hear you asking what was on the menu for guests? Well, just the best for the world's biggest boy band, including chicken skewers with satay sauce, vegetable and cheese sliders, and lychee martinis to make the night go on forever. 1D's This Is Us is in cinemas here in Australia from September 19. Now, for this or anything else, catch me on the radio weeknights, 7 o'clock on Nova.